Okay, another amazingly exciting, mega exciting 5-minute auto parrying. So what a nickname. Ooh. Who's this guy? Does it say? Doesn't say. Let's take this and play D3. His 1 minute rating is 1092 based on 2 games. He's been up to 2273 in March this year on the 5-minute auto parries. Are quite dangerous potentially. Oh blimey. His current Blitz is 1922, but he's been up to 2433 in April 2006. Quite some time ago. I'm hoping I'm getting some central pressure and not just being hacked here to death on the king side. E5 and D5, combination of E5 and D5, well, F6 is going to be a problem. That D5 here and then knight E4, just trying to break up his centre. E5, knight E4. Even if I lose a pawn, I think I'm extinguishing his attack. So I'm not losing a pawn, fine. Knight E4, but knight E5. There's F takes, Queen D5. Probably not working. There's Queen D5 immediately. I just don't want to be hack attacked. I want to try and get some pressure on his king here. Down this diagonal. He's opened up that diagonal. Something like F5, he takes. I'll sort of opened up the position a bit. Maybe something like this is interesting. I'm trying to get the bishop locked in and trying to maximise this diagonal. I know it's a pawn, but if I get an F5, it should be a comfortable position. I hope. Bishop's kind of locked in. I'll take on A2, there's knight D6. Isn't there Queen E6? Knight D6, he hits the B7 bishop. There's bishop A6 there. Rook E1. Rook D6. Well, that gets interesting. Let's have a look at this. Mind you, there's Rook D6 as well. Oh no. Knight D6, bishop A6, Rook E1. Oh, there's no Rook E8 there. Okay. It looks as though, okay, Queen F7 or Queen E7 hitting the Queen, takes. His knight moves, probably Queen F7 and try and challenge that rook. Or this E file, I just want this knight to go away. Maybe just knight moves rook here. Trying to evict this rook later. Okay, is there anything against this? If I take then rook d7, is that really strong? He's winning that bishop. Rook here, there's knight d6 after. Maybe there's a back row issue. Queen e6 takes her. Rook d8. There's nothing after rook d7. Isn't there a back row thing with rook here? It takes here, I get 2 rooks for a queen. Is this not refutable? Basically. I wonder. Something like just rook d8 takes knight 7 advance. F takes rook d7. I can't get to grips with it actually. Bishop c8 just takes on c6. I'm going to lose on time at this rate. I'll try this. Maybe rook e7. And it's got knight d6 unfortunately after. Knight d6 is going to be a pain. Is it absolutely murderous, knight d6? That's probably... That's been like queen e6 takes... Getting both his rooks on the 7th. Oh, I think I'm getting murdered because of knight d6. Hang on, isn't there rook takes my queen, rook takes d1? That might not be bad. Okay, I've lost a lot of time here on the clock. I've lost a lot of time indeed on the clock. Not pleasant. Knight d6, rook d7. Let's just get the queens off before I get exterminated. So knight d6, bishop e4, rook d7, bishop e4, rook e7. There's not many choices. Hang on, there's knight d5. Maybe just try and take on e3. Catch up a little bit on the clock, I hope. So knight d6, there's rook d8. This looks a little bit better. Now, I haven't totally been exterminated just yet. There's no rook g7 at the moment, I hope. Actually, his back row seems vulnerable. Is that a blunder, in fact? Oh. His back row is still vulnerable.
Check. Check.
This is nice.
Check. Check.
Get my king over. Let's hit f4.
Check.
Yeah. Maybe f4 and bishop g1 is dangerous. So bishop g1.
Check. Check. Check.
Right. Oh, is he kind of escaping?
Check.
Can you get this pawn? Or not?
Check.
Whoa. This is tricky. Oh, hang on.
Check.
Nice skewer. Might save the day. It makes things easier. Yeah, I was in big trouble. I probably was. Let's have a quick look. So I play this E5. I was worried about F5. Or yeah, I don't know about this because the bishop G5. This surely is good pressure for white. This is yes. F6 and stuff. I think the way I played it, I get an interesting game. So there's also Queen D3 mentioned. Yeah, this is an interesting game here. Pawn sack. Taking on A2, and if rook here, rook F7, and if knight D6, I take the rook, and if takes knight D6, hit the bishop. Okay. Yeah, it's a critical position. Knight D6 looks scary. This one looks good for white a little bit. Oh, Queen E7 might have been better. And if this rook D7, knight D5, right, like in the game, that would have been an improvement, maybe. Oh, this is okay. I thought this was actually bad for me. It seems okay here. This must be a blunder. There's a rook at the back row.
Check.
Obviously. Alright, it was okay by that stage anyway.
Check.
And it's okay to get the king over there.
Check.
Bishop up.
Check.
Should be pretty good. Oh, rook H1's better.
Check.
Take out the pawn, I guess.
Check.
So I was helped again.
Check.
After this blunder with 9 seconds coming up. This one here. Bishop H4 winning the rook. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.